there, kids. It's Sammy the Shark, your friendly underwater buddy. Did you know sharks are some of the coolest creatures in the ocean? We've got style, speed, and more teeth than a candy store has lollipops. So, sit tight while I share some jawsome shark facts with you. First off, let's talk about my pearly whites. Sharks can have up to 3,000 teeth at one time. And guess what? If I lose a tooth, no worries, a new one pops right in. It's like having an endless supply of spare tires, but for chomping. Imagine if you lost a tooth eating pizza, and by the time you reached for another slice, boom, new tooth. How cool would that be? And here's something wild. Sharks don't chew their food. Nope, we gulp it down whole. So if you're ever sharing snacks with a shark, don't expect us to savor the flavor. We're more like underwater vacuum cleaners. Slurp and done. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sammy, do you sleep? Great question. Sharks don't sleep like you do. We keep moving even when we rest. It's like sleepwalking, but in water, sleep swimming. Imagine doing your homework while you nap. Bet you'd ace every test. Here's something totally bananas. Some sharks can glow in the dark. Yep, bioluminescent sharks light up like underwater fireflies. If you ever throw a glow party in the ocean, invite us. We'll bring the shine. Oh, and you know how humans have fingerprints. Sharks have something similar on their skin. It's called dermal denticles. That's a fancy way of saying our skin feels like sandpaper. If you ever need to smooth out a wooden plank, just give me a call. And speaking of fancy, did you know the fastest shark in the ocean is the mako shark? They can swim up to 60 miles per hour. That's like zooming down a highway. I'm not that fast, but I've got plenty of swagger. Here's a fun one. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. That's older than dinosaurs. So, technically, we're like the wise old grandparents of the ocean. Respect your elders, kids. And before I forget, not all sharks are big and scary. Some, like the dwarf lantern shark, are so tiny they could fit in your hand. Imagine having a pet shark that's smaller than your goldfish. Well, that's all for today, my fantastic friends. Remember, sharks aren't as scary as they seem. We're just big fish with big smiles and even bigger stories. Next time you see a picture of a shark, give us a wave. Who knows? It might just be me, Sammy, saying hi. Stay curious, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the deep blue sea. Bye-bye.